Welcome! Today in front of me the Samsung Galaxy M52 5G, and I'll show you how to switch off the phone. In order to turn off the phone, you need just to open a notification bar, swipe with your finger one more time down, and now you will see the power off icon. Just tap on there and you will see the power off icon, so you have to tap on there one more time. Also, you have one more way how you can power off your phone. Just tap here to this side key, and from the Wake Quixby switch that to the power off menu. And now with your finger just tap on the your lock button and take to the power off. Tap to here one more time, and now as you can see your screen is dark. That means that the phone is turned off. So that's how it looks. If you find this video helpful, leave like, comment and subscribe our channel.